Alright guys, so if you want to start extracting leads directly from Google Maps, I mean hundreds of leads, thousands of leads, then you should be using CoreClaw. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use CoreClaw to extract hundreds of leads in seconds. With CoreClaw, it's easy now for you to extract leads, extract emails, website URLs, social media profiles, and many other information you might be needing directly from Google Maps. So the first thing you want to do right now is to create an account. Use the link down below, get yourself an account, and you should be having a dashboard looking like this. So right here guys, once you have your account on the CoreClaw overview dashboard, okay, you want to come right here to the CoreClaw store, because this is where you're going to be having access to all of the search scraper and everything that has to do with CoreClaw. Some of the tools they have running, everything is going to be displayed right in here. I really love the tool, testing it out and seeing that wow, I can do much more to just Google search scraping. I can do much more to Instagram scraping, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and so many other social sites. So, but we're going to be sticking to the essence of today's video, which is going to be on the Google Maps scraper. So I'm going to click on this one that has to do with the first one, which is the Google Map B2B lead generation scraper. Now, once you open this particular tool up, okay, I'm going to be having this dashboard looking like this. Of course, it's quite different from so many other Google search scraper I know, but I think I like this interface much more better, and I think you will too. So let's get started with testing this tool out. So the first thing I'm going to be working with right here is actually the location. So I'm just going to be leaving this the way it is, because I think New York, USA is good for me. But if you want to change your location, you can go ahead in changing your location, and the keyword basically is the business niche you're trying to target. So I've got quite a number of businesses that I want to reach out to, or I want to get their information. So I'm just going to click on copy this one here. I'm just going to change this, okay, and I'm going to insert my own personally. And for the fetch social info, yes, I wanted to help me extract their social information to LinkedIn. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook, I want to get access to all those informations. And the max result is going to be on 50. And for the fetch reviews, of course, I wanted to give me reviews. Okay, that's good. And the max review, I'm just going to leave it as 5, just the way it is right there. So if you want to also go ahead in having multiple extraction work at the same time, it's quite easy. All you need to do, all right guys, is to come right to this very button that says add. You want to click on add right now, and you also want to repeat the same thing. So you want to input your keyword. So let me go with this particular one that's to do with corporate offices, and I'm going to put that into this particular keyword section. Then for the information of social media, I'm going to click on yes. The language, I'm just going to use English as well quickly. And the max result also, I'm just going to say 50. So for the fetch reviews, I'm also going to say yes, and this one I'm just going to put in 5. That's good. So I'm just going to input right in here my desired location, guys. So you can see we have all of this already imputed. So right before you click on run and start, I want you to come over to the run option. This is where you're going to be having access to some technical or more advanced feature that you can play with right here. So like I told you, all of these things are based on your preference. So you just want to go with something that's convenient for you, because many times when I try to extract my own leads, extract my own data, it's quite possible that I might not be using the same features as you want to. So I'm just getting to expose you to it so that can help you get the job done. So regardless of the future you're trying to get access to, you can always find it right here on CoreClaw. All right. So once I'm done with that, right guys, I'm just going to shut this down a little bit, and I'm just going to click on save and start. So once I do click on save and start, you see it loads up for me, and let's see what happens. So it says the worker is getting your data. So it's just going to help me start extracting. And if you look closely at this very point here, guys, you're going to be having access to the duration. So you can see the duration is counting 13 seconds, 14 seconds, and all like that. And right here, guys, you can see at the top down below, you're going to be having access to your table. All right, you can see this is all the extraction ongoing. So let's say I come over to the contact outreach. Okay, you're going to be having access to all of the socials, their emails, website URL, LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile. It depends if these companies or if those brands, businesses, if they have all of those things listed out right here, you're going to be finding them. Okay, it's going to be displayed right in here. For instance, now you can see we have some on Facebook, we have their website, we have some on Instagram. So this particular tool helps you extract the social media outreach, social media handles, and so many other things. And if you come over to the ratings tab, you're going to be having access to all of these guys. You can see their ratings businesses being displayed right here. And if you check their location, it's going to be giving you access to where these businesses are located, their street address, their code, and other informations. And if you want to export your data, how do you go about exporting your data from CoreClaw? Right, it's easy. You want to come right here to the export button, and if you click on the export button, guys, you're going to be having access to downloading this, all right, in a different formats. Okay, you have CXV, you have JSON, we have so many other formats that you can always make use of. So I'll always go with CXV because it's quite convenient for me and also many people out there. So, and if you take a look at this particular place that says select fields, you're going to be realizing it says all field already included. But let's say you don't want to work with all the fields. Let's say you want to work with just few, maybe the phone number, the website, and maybe email address and so many things. All you need to do is to just go ahead and selecting that. So for me, I think I want to work with all fields available. So I'm going to click on export right here. Okay, and I do click on export right here. You can see it's already downloaded into my computer, and right here you can see we have this right here. You can see we have the result from CoreClaw. So I can go ahead and open this, guys. Okay, I can open this and show you guys what the result looks like. So quickly, let me open this one to show you what the result looks like. And here is what our result looks like, guys. You can see we have the title of these businesses, we have their phone number, which is quite constant because I think on Google Maps so many people do well with adding up their phone numbers. We have their website URL. Let's say you want to check them up on their website, you have everything right in here. And for the emails tab, you can see we have quite a number of emails right in here. The LinkedIn URL basically don't have much because some of these businesses don't have their URL, the LinkedIn URL displayed right here. And we have for Facebook, we have for Instagram, we have for Twitter, we have for YouTube. So all of the data you actually intend to work with, all right, you want to extract, CoreClaw can help you get that. And you can see we have their review ratings as well, we have their reviews link, we have so many other informations that you can find right in here. But majorly it's just the contact information for me, which is always their email address or their phone number and also their website URL. So if I want to check up on their website to see if maybe I can help them improve their website, depends on the usage. Okay, I have a lot of data I can work with right here, gotten for me by CoreClaw. So if you want to get access to CoreClaw, like I said, the link is going to be down below for easy access, and you just want to choose the plan that will work fine for you. And I would also recommend you go with the starter plan. Let me just use the word a launch offer plan, okay, where you just have to get things for much cheaper. All right, you get things much cheaper, you can test out the tool to see if it works. If it gets you the result you want, then you can actually get to upgrade. Many times I don't always recommend my subscribers going for a very huge paid plan. Go with the lesser plan, test the tool, and see if you're getting the results you want. So if you are getting the results you want, then you can go for a much more higher plan. So that is all to it regarding the Google Maps search scraper on CoreClaw. So if you want to see more videos like this, more scraping, so trust me, I think I'm just going to be working with those two more often because I can see lots of search scraping tools that I can use for my own personal business. So if you want to get access, if you want to learn more about CoreClaw, make sure to subscribe today and check the link down below for easy access. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, please take care of yourself and bye.